Demystifying Economic Writing, Tips and Tricks. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we'll dive deep into the realm of academic writing, specifically focusing on the discipline of economics. Whether you're an aspiring economist or just a curious learner, understanding the nuances of writing in this field will sharpen your academic arsenal. Let's get started. Economics is a social science that studies the production, distribution, and consumption of goods and services. Thus, the writing in this field often combines quantitative analysis with qualitative insights. 1. Terminologies. Economic writings frequently employ terms like supply, demand, elasticity, and equilibrium. It's vital to understand and correctly use these terms. 2. Graphs and models. A distinctive feature of economics is the use of graphs, charts, and models to explain theories and findings. When writing about them, clarity and concise descriptions are key. 3. Evidence-based arguments. Like other academic disciplines, economic writing demands rigorous evidence to support claims. This can be in the form of data, studies, or literature reviews. While there's no one-size-fits-all format, many economic papers follow a general structure. 1. Abstract. A brief summary of the research, findings, and implications. 2. Introduction. Here, you introduce the research question and its significance. 3. Literature review. Discusses previous research on the topic to give context. 4. Methodology. Details the methods and data used to answer the research question. 5. Results. Presents the findings of your research. 6. Discussion. Analyzes and interprets the results in light of existing literature and theories. 7. Conclusion. Summarizes the paper and may offer policy implications or suggestions for future research. 1. Jargon overload. While terminologies are essential, overusing jargon can make your paper inaccessible. Strive for clarity and explain terms when necessary. 2. Being overly technical. It's easy to get lost in equations and models. Remember, your readers may not have the same background as you. Always provide explanations and context. 3. Balancing qualitative and quantitative analysis. While numbers and data are crucial, don't forget to provide qualitative insights. Theories, historical context, and societal implications can enrich your paper. And there we have it. Economic writing, with its blend of quantitative and qualitative elements, is a unique and rewarding discipline in academic writing. Remember, clarity, precision, and a robust evidence base are your best friends in this journey. We hope this video has shed light on the intricacies of writing in economics. Until next time, happy writing and learning.